Hello guys, how are you all doing? Now, our video today is about Tetmosol cream. Yeah, okay. This is should I call it more a requested video, partially a requested video. A lot of people want to know about this Tetmosol cream. Okay, how to use it and what not to do with it. And when you overuse it, what are the side effects? And can you use it as a body cream? Or is it mainly used for a particular function in the body? Okay, so I'll be touching all these that I mentioned in this video. I'll be touching one after the other. So Tetmosol cream is an antifungal cream, antifungal and an antibacterial cream. Okay, and when something is antifungal, antibacterial, any product that is antifungal, antibacterial, what they usually do is it treats anything that causes inflammation in the body. Okay, so when we talk about inflammation, we talk about the itching of the skin, redness of the skin, eczema, allergies, psoriasis, dermatitis. Okay, and all these inflammations, as you may call them, are usually caused by a reaction in your body, so a reaction in your skin cells. Okay, so most times, you know how sometimes when you go outside, some people are allergic to flowers, some people are allergic to dairy, some people are allergic to, skincare products, some people are allergic to even there's some kind of food that you will eat and it will cause problem in your bloodstream. Okay, now, and most people will react to that. So this particular cream treats those inflammations. And it does that by reducing the chemicals that causes this inflammation in the body. Because when you eat things that your body is not used to, doesn't align with your body, your blood system will react to it. So it will increase the production of those chemicals in your body, in your cells. And by doing that, allergy will, your body will react, your skin will react to it. So this is what usually causes inflammation. And this is why most times your body will start itching, or you see redness, or most times swollen face. A lot of things, your body can react in different ways. So this is what this Tetmosol cream is. Now, to answer your question, is it a body cream? It's not a body cream. It's not something that you'll be using like every single day. Okay, you cannot use it every single day as a body cream, as like your regular body cream. So no, it's not a body cream. It's mainly prescribed, okay, by medical professionals. It's not even prescribed like, an esthetician like me, because I'm a certified esthetician, cannot even prescribe it. So it's mainly over the counter in a pharmacy, or a pharmacist or a medical doctor can prescribe it, or maybe a dermatologist can prescribe it. Now, it's not meant to be used by anyone under the age of 12. Okay, because it's a strong corticosteroid. Corticosteroid is mainly like a steroid. So it's a steroid cream, and it's not advised to be used by someone under the age of 12 because of the steroid in it. So if you have children that has like an allergic reaction, you should consult your doctor first before you start using this on them, especially if they are under the age of 12. You should consult your your medical practitioner before you use this on them. Now, a lot of allergies, a lot of skin conditions can use it. Someone with eczema can use it. Someone that has psoriasis can use it. Someone that has dermatitis can use it. Okay, if you have like an allergy, maybe redness or itching of the skin or swollen of the skin, you can, if your skin like is swollen or like you have like a rashes, you can use it. Rashes, not rashes. Rashes, you can use it. Okay, now this cream is not a bleaching cream, should not be used as a bleaching cream, and can never be used as a bleaching cream, for those of you that want to know. Okay, because first of all, it's not even a body cream. Okay, now if you have sensitive skin, you have to be very careful using it because of the steroid. Okay, and another advice is you need to use it under the duration as prescribed by your medical practitioner. Most times you can use it maybe within the space of 8 to 12 weeks. It should not be used longer than that because of the steroid, because the side effects, in as much as it will help, yes, it does work. It will help to clear the skin issue that you have, but if you use it for a very long time, it's not the best. The side effects may end up your skin, it may end up worsening your skin tissue more than, the shock will be too much for you, because you're talking about dry skin. It can cause your skin to get really, really dry. You can even make your skin to start getting itchy, because this is steroid. So it's a strong steroid. When I say strong, it is strong. Then the thinning of skin. Steroid is very good when it comes to that. I said it's very good because when you take anything that has steroid for a very long time, you will start noticing that your skin is getting really old looking and very thin. Okay, so most times you can get a burning sensation. Yeah, you can get a burning sensation because it's steroids. As it's thinning your skin, it's shedding your skin, the top layer of your skin off when you take too much steroid. So it's not advisable that you use it for a very long period of time. It's not advisable. Okay, they use it for a very long period of time. Now, always try as much as you can to get it prescribed if you really need it. So try as much as you can to get it prescribed if it's something that you need. And please, I beg you in the name of God that I serve, follow the instructions on the pack. So this is what it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like. I've been talking since without opening it and I forgot to. This is what it looks like. So this is what the cream looks like. See, this one I haven't even used it. So it feels like a it's cream more like. Okay, as you can see, it's very thick. It smells, I don't know how to explain the smell. It's not the best. I don't like the smell, but it's okay. It's not. It's medicine basically. It's not really a body cream. So this is what it looks like. And if you buy the original one, it has like a leaflet here that tells you how to use it. So the leaflet here tells you how to use it. Okay, see, front and back tells you how to use it. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you've learned a lot from it, and I hope I've covered your concerns about this particular cream. Okay, thank you so much, my favorite people. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't.